I'm Amy Anderson for OptionRally TV. Let's take a look at the global markets and news that all traders and investors should be aware of. Netflix soars. Icahn wants eBay and PayPal to split, and Chinese manufacturing data tumbles. Let's take a quick look at what is happening in the global markets now. Europe's main stock markets closed mixed, with London sliding after a bigger than expected drop in British unemployment takes it close to the central bank's threshold to begin raising interest rates. UK unemployment surprising fall from 7.4% to 7.1%. London's FTSE 100 ended down 0.12%. With little data or news flows, U.S. stocks remain mixed following the latest batch of mediocre fourth quarter corporate earnings reports. IBM fell over 3% after beating earnings expectations by 14% per share, but falling short on revenue. It released its results at the end of the trading day yesterday. In simple words, IBM was able to cut expenses but was not able to increase sales. Netflix stock soared 16% on huge subscriber growth, adding more than 2.3 million new American households enrolling for the streaming service, its best quarterly performance in 3 years. Shares of eBay soared in after-hours trading after the online auction website revealed that activist investor Icahn is urging the company to break up. In its fourth quarter earnings release, eBay said Icahn wants the tech giant to spin off PayPal into its own company. In the foreign exchange markets, the euro dipped to 1.3557 as traders continue to ask, where is the recovery? The dollar rose for an 8th day, the longest winning streak since 2012, amid bets an improving U.S. economy will encourage Federal Reserve policymakers to dial back stimulus when they meet next week. The Bank of Japan said it was winning the war against deflation and delayed injection fresh stimulus into Asia's number 2 economy. The JPY eased against the dollar to trade at 104.62. The Aussie dropped about half a cent after reports signaled a slowdown in Chinese factory activity, taking the currency back to levels it was trading at before Wednesday's strong local inflation data. Moving to the commodities market, as geopolitical tensions ease and the global economy recovers with central bankers keeping inflation in check, there is no support for gold, except for some speculators that are hoping for a bounce to book profits and those holding gold for wealth preservation. Gold is trading at $1231.86, its lowest in 2 weeks. Crude oil rose nearly 2% Wednesday as oil started flowing through a new pipeline to the Gulf Coast, and traders anticipated another decline in U.S. supplies. U.S. crude rose $1.76 or 1.9% to close at $96.73. Oil last closed above $96 a barrel on December 31st. This is Amy Anderson from OptionRally signing off. Follow me on Facebook and watch for our new financial terms of the day and our weekly event news.